Welcome everyone to our next SAP FICO configuration tutorial series. Here in this tutorial, we will define profit center standard hierarchy in controlling area. So you use a standard hierarchy for profit centers to reflect the organizational structure of all profit centers belonging to a single controlling area. So this is the use of a standard hierarchy in controlling area. So let's try here. Go to transaction code SIMG, press enter, then go to financial accounting, then general ledger accounting here, then go to master data, then click on profit center, and under profit center click here define profit center standard hierarchy in controlling area. Click here, search for your company code, mine is here 7075, enter hierarchy area here, then click on save, then go to transaction code KSH1, it's a KCH1, click on more here, or else go to edit, no, go to group here, then click on change here, press enter, click on yes, enter the description of a standard hierarchy here, press enter, click on save, press back, go to display here, press enter. Now you can see your standard hierarchy is created for profit center group. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel on YouTube.